Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I got another problem. Every once in a while, something in the shop just breaks. This particular thing is a mount for a extension light. This one sits on the end of the bench, makes a nice light for doing close-up work. Lets me shine it where I need it. But somehow or another, that mount got pulled on a little bit harder than what it wanted to be, and it broke. It's a cheap, lightweight light, and it doesn't take a whole lot of effort to break it. So now I have to go through and make it fit back together again. These two legs have to be put back through those two holes and riveted. So we'll hit the thing and see if we can make it work. Now that I've got it put back together again, I can mount it back on the end of the bench, and that'll give me a place to hang that light so it's not just laying on the workbench. Do need to expand that hole just a little bit. 50-cent pin punch. Must be something I picked up at the Restore based on the label. But it'll work for this. go. Now we're back having light where I need it. Much better. With this quartz filling in the dark spots, I got a really good shot on things. I got the light fixed. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.